Thank you for purchasing the Acrobat GT Pool Cleaner. Today we are going to show you how to assemble it. First of all, open the box. Grab your main body assembly and your rib disc, ensuring the ribs are facing upwards. Install it onto the corner of the flexi foot and gently roll the disc and twist it onto the foot, like so. Ensure that the rib of the foot is above the disc. Remove your outer extension pipe. Ensure your float arm assembly is facing upwards. Install the deflector ring and reinstall your outer extension pipe. The head unit is now assembled. Open up your pack of hoses and remove your pink hose adapter. Install that inside the female end of the hose, like so. That piece connects to the cleaner itself. Grab another length of hose and slide your hose weight on. To halfway up the length of hose. That will now be the second length of hose from the pool cleaner, connecting your male and female ends together. Then connect the remainder of your hoses grab your wear cuff adapter, the 90-degree elbow and the spring-loaded flow valve. Insert the flow valve into the female end of the elbow, ensuring the arrow is facing towards the elbow. Making sure that the flap side is facing downwards. Insert that into the wear adapter cuff and connect that to the last length of hose on the male end. That then inserts into your vacuum plate and that connects to your skimmer box.